Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you how to solve multiple circuits in wire. I have created one dB and two lights here, and if I see the circuiting in the wire, it's showing 1 and 2, and if I tag this one, it's circuit 1 and 2 and it's also 1 and 2, but if I check the light, it's have only 1. What's the problem? So sometime when we are drawing the lighting, we will have many circuit like lighting control, something like that. If you go to the lighting control, you see here is 4 wires are connected, 4 lights are connected in one circuit, but this is not one circuit, it's in wire we have looped in the one looped in one set. So this wiring will affect here. So when you are drawing in the same light set for the lighting control or any other service, you should not connect like this. Either you draw the wire without touching, or you have to create another connector, meaning separate connector inside the family for the control system. So let's delete one of this one, and if you go to the other, you see this problem is solved already, and here is still existing. So let's go here, delete this, and let's check here. Okay, see, now return come back. I made undo, so let's delete this one, and the problem solved, and you can do it again. Let's click this one, CS. So let's tag this one. So you will not see again here we have problem here. So this one has to be deleted again and draw it again. Now tag. Say the problem is solved. So when you are drawing different system, if you have same light with one controller, one circuiting, and if it is connecting, the controller is controlling multiple circuit, you have to do a separate connector for the controller. But if you not do that one, you will face this problem. If anything you face problem, just delete all the wiring and reconnect as per the circuit, the problem will be solved. If anything, if anything you see multiple circuit in this wire, any wire, the problem, any part of this circuit, part of fixture which is belong to this circuit have been connected to another circuit through wire somewhere. So that's why it will give like that problem. So there's two options you can do. You have to delete all the wires and reconnect as per the circuit. If you have lighting control system, you have to provide a separate connector and do the lighting. And I hope you understand. And if you have any comments, I will explain you. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and you can see my more videos.